I just want to give you a reminder. No, I'm brink of crazy. I just want to say that. It's so funny. I may be in one of our merch. I don't have merch yet. But I will. Because if you're watching this in the future, I might have merch. So you better go buy it if you're watching this in the future. But right now, this is my time. I'm not famous. I only have 2 subscribers. I'm actually serious. I pinky swear. I only have 2 subscribers. And no thumbs up. No, nothing. I have no views on some of my videos. It's just that I'm the worst YouTuber that ever lived. So now, if you are from the future, you can please just tell me, will I be popular? Will I be popular on YouTube? Because I'll jump off the swing. That's popular. That's popular, yeah. I'm going to show you the nest where the baby birds were. The baby birds fell that way, and the nest is that way. See the nest? There's still a baby bird in the nest, and the baby birds fell that way. Oh no, gotta tell Mom. I just saw the last baby bird. It flew out of the nest. This is to be continued on Brink of Crazy. See ya.